I'm hoping that the divine guides me and makes me a vessel so I can share my gifts to the world. I'm muddy. My name is Chef Gabe, and we're gonna be making my famous chickpea curry, or best known as Chana Masala. We have 2 cans of rinsed chickpeas. I'm gonna chop and dice 1 onion. Gonna do 3 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of vegetable base, 1 can of coconut cream, the mud, and I have 8 different types of spices here. I have curry, masala, I have cumin, a little bit of cinnamon, nutmeg, smoked paprika, chili flakes, and turmeric. So let's get started by chopping these guys up. So just get the skin out of these onions. Now we're gonna do a little chop chop. So a little trick on our garlic. We smash, and then it's easy to just like, the skin just like, look, nicely fine chopped garlic. Should we get cooking? I'm gonna do a little bit of olive oil in this guy. So this is where the magic begins, with onions. We're gonna let this sweat for a couple minutes before we add the garlic. Going to add a garlic. So we're like developing flavor here, you know? Now once you see that like, starting to get a little bit golden, chickpeas go in. A little bit of water in here. So you're gonna see in this recipe that I'm not gonna be adding any salt to it because my vegetable base is already salted. You're gonna wanna make sure that it's always a little bit of liquid in the bottom of our pan. Now we're gonna start with our curry. Mr. Curry, that's half of a teaspoon. Let's go with 1 more half. Here we have Chana Masala, half of a teaspoon. I'm gonna give it a little mix here. Now we're gonna add 1/4 of a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half of a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. I'm gonna be adding half of a teaspoon of cumin, half of a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, and turmeric. Let's cook this down. A little more water goes in. 2 tablespoons of maple, and now le mud. That's a tablespoon of mud. 1 can of coconut cream to finalize. We're gonna add a little spinach to our curry. The leafy spinach just brings some freshness to the dish. And we're done. Okay, let's get to plating, guys. Wow! Give yourself a little bit of this in your life.